Toyota recently revealed the 2026 RAV4 GR Sport. Unveiled on May 21, 2025, this marks the North American debut of the GR Sport badge on the 6th generation RAV4. Built with Toyota's Gazoo Racing division, it offers sporty styling, a plug-in hybrid PHEV powertrain, and improved handling. It competes with Mazda CX-5 and Honda CR-V Hybrid. Available only as a PHEV with 320 horsepower, it starts at $51,250, including a $1,350 destination charge. It arrives in U.S. dealerships by late 2025. The 320 horsepower PHEV powertrain pairs a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with dual electric motors. It sends power to all four wheels through a planetary-type CVT. It has 18 more horsepower than the 2025 RAV4 Prime and reaches 0 to 60 miles per hour in an estimated 5.3 seconds. The 22.7 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery provides a 50-mile electric-only range, up from 42 miles. It does not have DC fast charging. An optional $800 11-kilowatt onboard charger speeds up Level 2 charging. Gazoo Racing added sport springs, shocks, chassis bracing, and retuned steering for better handling. Wider summer tires improve grip. The exterior has a motorsport-inspired design. It features a hexagonal mesh grille, large air intakes, and a chin spoiler for better cooling and aerodynamics. The body is lowered by 0.6 inches and rides on 20-inch twin-spoke alloy wheels with Dunlop SP Sport Max summer tires. Red brake calipers, a black roof, and a rear wing add to its sporty look. Supersonic red paint is an exclusive $425 option. The body is 1 inch longer due to the front splitter, and gloss black wheel arch trim gives it a rugged appearance. Inside, the cabin has bolstered ultra-suede and Softex sport seats with red stitching and GR logos. It includes aluminum pedals and a GR-branded steering wheel with paddle shifters. The panoramic moonroof is an optional $1,200 upgrade. The seats fit 5 passengers with 37.6 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats and 69.8 cubic feet with seats folded. The infotainment includes a 12.9-inch touchscreen with Toyota's Arene software. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A $650 JBL premium audio system with 11 speakers is optional. The 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster has customizable displays. Climate controls use buttons and touchscreen. Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 is standard and includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and front cross-traffic alert with over-the-air updates. The $2,100 technology package adds a head-up display and 360-degree camera. Pricing starts at $51,250 with standard all-wheel drive. Adding the technology package, $2,100, panoramic moonroof, $1,200, premium audio, $650, and supersonic red, $425, brings the total to $55,625. It may qualify for up to $7,500 in federal tax credits, depending on eligibility. Estimated fuel economy is 38 mpg combined. It can tow up to 3,500 pounds.